अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम लिविंसन की एक मेडिकल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी की बुक से लिस्टीरिया मोनोसाइटोजीन्स की रीडिंग करेंगे। लिस्टीरिया मोनोसाइटोजीन्स causes meningitis and sepsis in newborns, pregnant women and immunosuppressed adults. It also causes outbreaks of febrile gastroenteritis. It is a major cause of concern for the food industry. इसकी इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ में ये हैं कि लिस्टीरिया मोनोसाइटोजीन्स इज़ अ स्मॉल ग्राम पॉजिटिव रॉड arranged in V or L-shaped formation similar to corynebacteria. The organism exhibits an unusual tumbling movement that distinguishes it from the corynebacteria, which are non-motile colonies on a blood agar plate produce a narrow zone of beta hemolysis that resembles the hemolysis of some streptococci. Listeria grows well at cold temperatures, so storage of contaminated food in the refrigerator can increase the risk of gastroenteritis. This paradoxical growth in the cold is called cold enhancement. Pathogenesis. Listeria infections occur primarily in two clinical settings. First, in the fetus or in a newborn as a result of transmission across the placenta or during delivery, and in pregnant women and immunosuppressed adults, especially renal transplant patients. Note that Note that pregnant women have reduced cell-mediated immunity during the third trimester. The organism is distributed worldwide in animals, plants, and soil. From these reservoirs, it is transmitted to humans primarily by ingestion of unpasteurized milk products, undercooked meat, and raw vegetables. Contact with domestic farm animals and their feces is also an important source. In the United States, listeriosis is primarily a foodborne disease associated with eating unpasteurized cheese and delicatessen meats. Following ingestion, the bacteria appear in the colon and then can colonize the female genital tract. From this location, they can infect the fetus if membranes rupture or infect the neonate during passage through the birth canal. The pathogenesis of Listeria depends on the organism's ability to invade and survive within cells. Invasion of cells is mediated by internaline made by Listeria and E. cadrine on the surface of human cells. The ability of Listeria to pass the placenta, enter the meninges, and invade the gastrointestinal tract depends on the interaction of internaline and E. cadrine on those tissues. Upon entering the cell, the organism produces listeriolysin, which allows it to escape from the phagosome into the cytoplasm, thereby escaping destruction in the phagosome. Because Listeria preferentially grows in intracellularly, cell-mediated immunity is a more important host defense than humoral immunity. Suppression of cell-mediated immunity predisposes to Listeria infections. Listeria monocytogenes can move from cell to cell by means of actin rockets. Filaments of actin polymerize and propel the bacteria through the membrane of one human cell and into another. तो दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो को एंड करते हैं। अगली वीडियो में हम इसकी क्लिनिकल फाइंडिंग्स और लेबॉरेटरी डायग्नोसिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। थैंक यू। जज़ाकल्लाह।